Ahoy Portsoy, I'm Riley from Elgin Youth Cafe Community Kitchen, and we're here today with Liz Ashworth's Captain Crunch and Hamlin's Porridge Oats. So let's give it a start. So first, 180C 160 fan gas mark 4. First off, we got 3 trays. I'm only going to put one here for this now. You got oil it. If you can't see this already, there's a bit of oil in that. Next, we're going to get our pan. We're going to get our butter of 115 grams of butter. You've got to keep an eye on this as well, because it does cook fairly quickly. Kind of need to break it up as well, just so it heats. If you want it to go a bit faster, a bit slower. See if you can start seeing it starting to melt already. And butter's almost done. At this point, you can start to add your syrup into that. Make sure to get all the syrup. After you've added your syrup, which is 30 grams of syrup, you want to mix it in just like a tiny bit. And then it starts to turn white here. As we're waiting for this to cook properly, we're going to add all of our dry ingredients. 180 grams of porridge oats, self-raising flour, 60 grams of that, 60 grams of caster sugar, bicarbonate of soda, right, so now after we've done this, you just want to carefully put it into this bowl. Tablespoon of hot water, not boiling water. Just mix it through a bit, and then if you want after that, you can use your hands. And that's how it should look at the end, after it's all mixed up. So now after you've got your mixture here, you got to try and get your oiled trays, try and get a big bit of it, and then try and put it on like that, and make them into like tiny biscuits. Try and spread them out as well, because they will spread out in the oven. I'm just going to keep it as small ones, just to get as many for anyone as you want. So out of this mixture I've made 15. We're going to start putting them in the oven, so let's go and take them on. One might cook faster than the other one, so just keep an eye on it. So now I'm going to set my timer. I'm going to put them for 13 and then go and check on them. Right, so that's been our timer set off. Now let's have a quick look at them. Ahoy Portsoy, and thank you for watching at EYC Elgin Youth Cafe. Thank you Hamlin's for your porridge oats, and thank you Liz Ashworth for the recipe.